Hi, my name is Cindy Partida, and I am the Student Services Coordinator for the First Year Support Center. I am so excited to announce that Santiago Canyon College believes in your success, and we have a First Year Support Center just to help you along throughout your educational journey. Our goal at the First Year Support Center is to help you transition academically and socially at Santiago Canyon College. We understand that the transition into college can be an overwhelming experience. So we have the First Year Support Center located in the E building on the 3rd floor in room E303 to help support you with all of your educational needs. Whether you're an incoming student, returning student, or current student at SCC, we want to support you throughout your educational journey. Some of our services include a computer lab, which includes free printing. We also have a tutor in multiple subjects. We offer student success workshops to help you transition into college, and we offer a safe space for you to connect with other peers. We also offer computer technical assistance. So whether you need help with the application to Santiago Canyon College, FAFSA, the financial aid application, or California Dream Act, we're here to support you. We can also assist you when you're a current student here with Web Advisor and Canvas support. So come on by, we'd love to see you. And don't forget, we're located in E303. See you soon. For more information, you can follow us on Instagram and Snapchat at firstyear.scc. You can also visit our website at www.sccollege.edu/FYSC. Or you can call us at 714-628-5085.